everybody? Welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. It's been a really long time since I bought some new tools, like 3 or 4 months since like the beginning of January. And I wasn't really planning on buying any tools, except I found this tool, which I've been looking for, waiting for to buy for like an entire year. So I had to jump on the deal when it came along. So without further ado, she's finally here. So let's go ahead and open it up. And I can't wait to show you guys what it is. All right, so here is the box. Let's go ahead and open it up. I don't know how they seal this, if it's with tape or just like stickiness. I'm gonna figure it out real quick though. All right, that should do it. Let's go ahead and open this up. I'm super excited. Wow, look at that. There's 2 packages inside. All right, package number 3. This is intense. Woo-hoo! Oh my goodness, I cannot believe my eyes. These are the Fallen Lineman tribute pliers. If you know anything about them, there was about 3,000 of these made in, I believe, 2017. These have never been opened to my knowledge. But anyways, that's not the big deal. You can just open and close this real quick. But anyways, super cool. They have like this black metal right here. Most of the Linemans are, you know, like this more silvery, polished, like this. Most of the Linemans are more silver, but this has like the full, like dark, and it has the etching on it, the American flag right there, and on the top of it, it says Lineman Tribute, Honor the Fallen, Never Forgotten. I'm not sure what it says on the back, obviously, because it has cardboard, but I don't know if there's anything etched on the back. But the way that you can tell that these are like different from the rest of them is because they have these giant like white like insulators. Not that it's like VDE or anything like that, but it has like this giant like white whatever you call that, dipped right there. There's a giant white dip, and then the blue handle is a lot lower, so it has this white like line right here. So that's how you can tell that it's the Fallen Lineman, but obviously mainly from the etching. But anyways, I've been waiting for these for a really long time. I wasn't thinking that I would ever be getting any of them, but here we are. They are in my hands and they're going on the wall for the collection. So I'm super excited. 2017 right there, 160-year anniversary. So super cool. So hopefully you can see that, but it's pretty sweet. Got the, like I said, American flag, the stamp right there. So it's kind of like the Klein logo right here, but it has no man on the pole, so it's just the pole. So a little bit different right there, and then Never Forgotten. So super cool. Got the C4 stamp on there, which is probably the 2017, April of 2017, I believe. But yeah, super cool. I'm gonna put these on the board with the rest of my collection. So super happy to add these to my collection finally. Thank you so much, Chris, for letting me buy these from you. His YouTube channel is Nice Garage. He has a bunch of car videos on there, but he's going to be doing some electrical videos coming up soon. So stay tuned to his channel, subscribe, check him out, and give him a big shout out for letting me buy these from him. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more videos in the future. And that's going to do it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. See you in the next one. Peace.